The Toyota Origin is one of the most unusual and carefully crafted cars ever produced by Toyota, created as a tribute to the brand's heritage and a celebration of a major industrial milestone. Its story begins in October 1999, when Toyota produced its 100 millionth vehicle in Japan. To commemorate this achievement, the company decided not to release a special trim of an existing model, but to build a dedicated, limited production car that combined historical design with modern engineering. Development of the Origin was entrusted to a small team of designers who deliberately stepped away from contemporary trends. They looked back to the 1955 Toyopet Crown RS, Toyota's first true passenger car and an important symbol of the brand's early ambitions. The result was a mid-size luxury sedan with a strong retro identity, a tall roofline, upright front grille, circular headlights, rear-hinged suicide doors, a rearward slanted C-pillar, and jewel-like taillights beneath a large wraparound rear window. These features were rare, even shocking, on a car launched in 2000. Under the distinctive body, the Origin was based on the Toyota Progress platform. This allowed Toyota to focus resources on craftsmanship rather than mechanical development. Power came from the naturally aspirated 3.0-liter 2JZGE inline-six engine, producing just over 210 horsepower, paired exclusively with a 4-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. Double wishbone independent suspension at both axles ensured a smooth, refined ride. Production took place at Kanto Auto Works Higashi Fuji plant, the same facility responsible for the flagship Toyota Century. Many assembly processes were done by hand, with close attention to panel gaps, paint quality, and interior finish. The cabin featured leather upholstery, genuine wood trim, advanced sound insulation, and high-end technology for its time, including a pop-up navigation screen and radar-guided cruise control. In spirit and build quality, the car earned the nickname Baby Century. Toyota initially planned to build 1,000 units, but final production reached approximately 1,073 cars between late 2000 and 2001. All were sold exclusively in Japan through Toyota Store, Toyopet Store, and Corolla Store dealerships, each priced at around 7,000 Japanese yen. Demand was strong, and the entire run sold quickly. Today, the Toyota Origin is a rare and highly sought-after collector car. Its combination of historical design, legendary engineering, and limited production gives it a unique place in automotive history. More than a retro experiment, the Origin stands as a rolling statement of Toyota's confidence, craftsmanship, and respect for its own past.